Hey guys, how's it going? So my name's Wyatt, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be looking at my collection of bonsai that I've recently just collected within the past month or so that I've had a few of these. So here's a nice forest grouping that I have. You see all these new buds all sprouting. I have yet to do any work on any of these bonsai or pre-bonsai, so I need to come back and cut in all this stuff. Here's a single one. Again, you can see a lot of little budding. Here's a type of juniper that I just repotted like a week ago, and it's feeling the effects a little bit. Probably gotta help it out some more. It's just a umbrella plant. Here's a juniper. This one's doing very well too. This is all new. One of my favorite ones is this maple. All these leaves are all from the past few days. So it's all new growth. It's a Shimpaku juniper. You can see that bark in the trunk. And again, I have yet to wire or do any major trimming. The reason I'm making this video is to introduce this collection of mine and ask you guys which one would you guys want to see me try to wire and trim first. So should let me know in the comments. Again, this is my first YouTube video ever kind of like this, and I built this stand that it's on like all from Home Depot. Cost less than like 30 bucks, I'd say.